Welcome to the Grand Hyatt Kauai. In our video, we'll go on a walkthrough of the property and a quick tour of our standard 2-queen bedroom. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help us reach our goal of getting 1,000 subscribers. We were first welcomed into the beautiful open lobby featuring a framed peek at the ocean through the Seaview Terrace restaurant. The lobby is also home to several resident parrots. This one is a green-winged macaw named Rico. Our first stop after checking in was our room, a standard 2-queen bedroom on the 6th floor. The first thing we noticed is how large and spacious the room was for being a standard room, with a good-sized closet for all our stuff for 4 people. Also included in the room were 2 reusable water bottles that you could refill at any of the numerous water filling stations throughout the property. In addition to the 2 queen beds, there's a pull-out sleeper chair with memory foam mattress. Even the view of the parking lot wasn't too bad with a view of the mountains in the back. They gave us a complimentary bottle of champagne as a welcome gift when we first checked in. The bathroom is also extremely spacious for a standard room and features a bidet toilet with heated seats. The toiletries are specially made for the on-site Anara Spa and has a wonderful mango coconut scent. Later that day, they dropped off more welcome gifts of red wine and snacks. As Hyatt Globalists, we got complimentary access to the Grand Club Lounge, which features complimentary breakfast and snacks throughout the day. Afternoon snacks are held at the Grand Club from 12 to 4 p.m., evening hors d'oeuvres from 5 to 7 p.m., and dessert from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. The Grand Club is pretty large with several different seating areas both indoors and out. Breakfast is held at the Grand Club from 6:30 to 10 a.m. and features a pretty good selection. The resort also features several different dining options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. First is Stevenson's Library, which serves sushi for dinner from 5 to 10 p.m. Reservations are required, which can be made on OpenTable. Seaview Terrace serves breakfast from 6 to 11 a.m. and dinner from 4:30 to 9:30 p.m. and does not require advance reservations. They feature the spectacular views that you first experience when walking into the lobby and has live entertainment nightly. Tidepools features modern Hawaiian cuisine and is open for dinner from 5 to 9 p.m. Tidepools, like Stevenson's Library, also requires reservations, which can be made through the OpenTable app. Ilima Terrace is open from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. for breakfast and lunch and also features beautiful views of the ponds and ocean. Hale Nalu is the poolside restaurant for casual dining, open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. for lunch and dinner. On this trip, we also made a visit to the on-site Anara Spa, which is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. The co-ed area when you first enter features a lap pool and a jacuzzi. Both the separate men's and women's areas have a jacuzzi and sitting area while waiting for your treatments. There are also steam rooms and dry sauna in both areas. The fitness center is located next to the spa and is open 24 hours. Kauai was great, but we've never experienced more bipolar weather on vacation. It went from beautiful sunny skies to torrential downpour in about 15 minutes before going back to beautiful and rain-free so we could enjoy the rest of our time at the pool. The resort also features a large man-made saltwater lagoon to enjoy a beach-like experience without braving the rough waters on the actual beach. This was Ryan's favorite in case you couldn't tell. Thank you for watching our video and make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos until next time.